Hello and welcome back to the BIN2BEAN training series on accessing and applying for public funding and grants. In this module, we'll continue learning how to write a winning proposal, focusing on the impact section. Writing a strong proposal isn't only about technical innovation, it's also about showing how your project will make a real difference. Let's have a look at how this can be achieved within the impact section, where you explain how your project results will make a difference beyond the immediate scope and duration of your work. A good place to begin is with the expected outcome listed in the call text. Look at those outcomes and describe how your project will contribute to achieving them. Then go further and talk about wider impacts in the longer term, as specified in the destination part of the work program. For example, how will your project help Europe achieve goals like the Green Deal, the circular economy, or soil health targets? When describing impact, don't focus only on the scientific side. Evaluators also want to see economic and technological impacts, for example, how your innovation might bring new products or services to the market, reduce costs, or improving efficiency in industry. And also societal and environmental impacts, such as improving environmental protection, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, creating new jobs, or supporting rural communities. It's important to quantify your impact wherever possible. Use numbers, forecasts, or concrete examples defining your key performance indicators, or KPIs. KPIs help evaluators see how you'll measure the success of your project. They show that you have thought through how to track progress and results. For instance, you could estimate the number of hectares of soil that could be restored with the innovation you are proposing, or the percentage reduction in bio-waste going to incineration. Another key part of the impact section is explaining your measures to maximize impacts. This means describing how you will disseminate your results, for example, by publishing scientific papers, attending conferences, or engaging with networks as stakeholders, but also how you will communicate your project to the broader public. Explain, for example, in simple terms what your project does, why it matters, and who benefits from it. Plan communication from the start and tailor your messages from different audiences. It is also important to describe how you will exploit your results, which is about how you or your partners will use the project outcomes after the funding ends. This could involve launching new products, licensing technologies, or filing patents. Even if your project isn't purely commercial, evaluators want to know how your work will create value and continue beyond the project lifetime. Remember, also in this case, quantifying the outputs and using KPIs are key. Before closing this module, let's quickly review common mistakes people make in the impact section, starting from writing statements without numbers or evidence, be as quantitative as possible, or focusing only on scientific impacts and overlooking social, economic, or environmental contribution is also a mistake. Adding on, forgetting about the importance of a solid and quantitative plan for dissemination, exploitation, and communication is also a mistake, together with not showing how the project connects to broader European policies and goals, including work program destination. And finally, forgetting to check the core requirement and proposal template and answer all its specific questions. In the next module, we'll continue with the implementation section. Do not forget to download our writing checklist before moving on. See you in the next video.